guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you swatches from the new launch of Faces Canada No Transfer Matte Lipsticks. And it's in a 12 shades, but I got 11 shades and all of the 11 shades are just bomb. Let me show you guys. And it came with this pouch. I got this pouch and the packaging is superb. Like, I have all the 11 shades in my hand and they are just fab. So I will be showing you all the swatches, and the one I have applied on my lips is from this range only. The name is, I guess, Stalker something, Silent Stalker, and the number is 05, I think. Yeah, Silent Stalker 05. So let's get started with all the shades. Starting with the shade 01. Its name is FOMO Queen and the shade number is 01. Okay, so I will be showing you swatches over here. It's swatch of the eyeliner. Look at the shade. It's so beautiful red shade. Like, I just love it. Look at it. Also, this lipstick is transfer proof. You can see it. Look. No transfer, like zero transfer it have. It's so good and so lightweight. I am not feeling any weight at all on my lips. And ये इतना ज़्यादा टफ है ना कि इसे मेकअप रिमूवर से भी मैं नहीं रिमूव कर पाई. नेक्स्ट शेड इज 02 इन्फ्लुएंसर. इट्स अ प्रिटी रेडिश पिंक sort of shade. Look at it. Yeah, it's a pink sort of shade. Look at that. I need to remove it. The next shade is 003 B-Town Baby. Okay, so the shade is orangish red. Like, first one was proper red and the third one is like orangish sort of red. But all these shades are for all skin tones, like all the Indian skin tones. The next, Vendor Bug 04. Okay, let me first remove it. This is also like red, proper red, with a tincture of orange, I guess, but it's more on the red side. Look at it. Okay. So basically, from among 12 shades, it have 5 shades of red. So you guys should definitely give it a try. The fifth one is maroonish red sort of thing. Like, it will look beautiful on the bridals. The one I have applied right now is this lipstick only, 05 Silent Stalker. Look at it. It is more of maroonish red. इतना ज़्यादा visible नहीं है कैमरा पे, but you can go to any offline store and buy this lipstick. और ये मेकअप रिमूवर से रिमूव नहीं हो रहा है. I have just kept a Vaseline over here to remove this lipstick, and then I am removing it with cotton. एंड लिप्स में मैं यही करने वाली हूँ. पहले वैसलिन लगा के थोड़ी देर छोड़ दूंगी, उसके बाद मैं इसे रिमूव करूंगी. शेड इज पिंकिश पर्पलिश शेड. इट्स नेम इज टी स्पिलर 06. ओके, तो मैं लिप स्वैचेस इसलिए नहीं दिखा रही हूँ बिकॉज ये लिप्स से जल्दी हटता नहीं है. सो आई डोंट वांट टू लाइक रब इट अगेन एंड अगेन टू रिमूव दिस लिपस्टिक. So I am just showing you hand swatches, and I guess it's like enough to get to know about the color, that what sort of color it is. And this is a very purplish pinkish sort of shade. Sit like मुझे ये शेड ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है. I don't like this shade. बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें मतलब पिंक का शेड है लेकिन पर्पल के शेड में ज़्यादा जा रहा है, एंड पिंक भी जा रहा है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू से अबाउट इट, but I don't like this shade much. The next shade is Grandmaster 07. It's a vibrant pink sort of shade. अगर आपको nude pink lipsticks पसंद है then you will like it. Otherwise I don't think you are gonna like it. Look at this. It's pink nude shade. Okay, so the next shade is Strixter 08. And this is also a good beautiful shade. It's also some sort of nude pinkish shade. Look at it. Okay, I just told you its number and name. The next is a deep purple sort of shade. Look at it. Also, the packaging of this lipstick is so beautiful. Okay, so the name is, shade is 09 and the name is Cereal Texture. It is some sort of this. My mama gonna like this shade. She just love this shade. Okay, it's a purple shade. And not like ganda wala purple, it's beautiful purple shade. The next lipstick is Filter Freak 11 and it's my favorite, and I'm sure if you love nude lipstick ranges then you're gonna love this shade also. It's a brown nude shade, like बहुत ज़्यादा deep brown नहीं होता है, brownish pinkish shade होता है, brownish shade, more of brownish tone, deep skin color you can say. Like look at this, I just love this shade. I can use it on a daily basis also, like it's a daily basis shade, and this shade is just amazing. And I don't have shade number 11, I directly have shade number 12 and its name is Grammar Nazi. So it's a sort of deep brown purple shade. Like, let me use it first. Yeah, it's a deep wine brown shade. Yeah, wine brown, we can say it, wine brown also. Look at it, it's a wine brown shade, not proper brown and not a proper wine shade. It's a mix of sort of brownish and somewhat of wine shade. Like, look at this. All the shades are so good. I just don't like pink nude lipsticks, that why I may not like two of these shades, Grandmaster and T-Spiller, and also Strixter, 08, 06 and 7678. But reds, pinks and obviously the nude one, Filter Freak, are my favorite, like favorite. With this, I want to tell you guys that these lipsticks are transfer proof, purely matte lipsticks, and also range बहुत ज़्यादा affordable है, like college going girls के लिए, working ladies के लिए, हर लोगों के लिए ये lipstick बहुत अच्छा है. Also, before making this video, I tried lipstick before making this video to see that कितना long lasting है, कितना ज़्यादा खाने पीने पे नहीं निकलता है. So, अगर आप कुछ नहीं खा पी रहे हो तो ये 24 घंटा आराम से 24 घंटे से ज़्यादा रह जाएगा, क्योंकि as you see, no transfer. Again, you can see it. और ग्लास पे भी ट्रांसफर नहीं हो रहा था ये. The only thing that I got to know about this is कि इसे मैंने मेकअप रिमूवर से ट्राई किया, नहीं हटा. Obviously, Wild Best क्लेंजर से नहीं ट्राई किया था मैंने. तो लेकिन जब मैं खाना खा रही थी तो क्योंकि खाने में वो ऑयल होता है तो उसके कारण बीच का लिपस्टिक थोड़ा गायब हो गया था. सो आई कैन सेट कि हाँ, ऑयल बेस्ड क्लिनजर से ये चला जाएगा. एंड अगर आपके पास ऑयल बेस्ड क्लिनजर नहीं है तो आई एम श्योर आपके पास वैसलीन पेट्रोलियम जेल तो होगा ही. सो यूज इट ऑल ओवर योर लिप्स एंड जस्ट गिव इट अ स्वैच ऑफ कॉटन और विथ एनी कॉटन क्लॉथ. आई एम श्योर इट विल गेट रिमूव्ड. So you can use it in the wedding seasons, in parties, in functions, anywhere you want. You want to slay, you want to look like all time आपके lipstick आपके set है तो आप इस लिपस्टिक के साथ डेफिनेटली जा सकते हैं. एंड आई गेस इसका रेट 449 499 समथिंग, या इट्स फॉर 499. और अगर आप होलसेल शॉप में जा रहे हो तो आपको कुछ डिस्काउंट भी मिल जाएगा, तो डेफिनेटली गो फॉर इट. ऑल्सो नो ट्रांसफर मैट लिपस्टिक होने के साथ साथ दिस lipstick is enriched with chamomile oil, sorry for the wrong pronunciation, chamomile oil, which don't let your lips get dry. इतना ज़्यादा मैट होने के बाद भी मेरा lips dry नहीं हो रहा. You can see there is no harsh rashes on my lips. कोई lips फटा नहीं है, like कुछ भी, मतलब मुझे moisturizer या मतलब मैट लिपस्टिक होते हैं तो उसके कारण क्या होता है, लिप्स फटने लगता है. लेकिन दिस लिपस्टिक डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम लाइक दैट ऑल्सो. This is just a perfect lipstick at the perfect range of 500 only. So I just check this out on Nykaa, on Amazon, on Flipkart, wherever you get it, or in offline stores also. You can get this lipstick very easily. Till we will meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Love you guys.